How to log into Costco Citi Card online account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Costco Citi Card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, citi.com. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the user ID, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you want to save your user ID, check in for this option. After you provide the details, click on Sign On, and with that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you can easily get access to your card section. So this way, you can easily log into your Costco Citi Card online account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on the option of register your card and go through the process. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.